Okay, this is what a firewood processor is, and this is what it looks like when it's working correctly. So now there is a couple broken welds. You see this deformed 2x2 tubing right there that holds this 1-inch thick hold down plate, that grapple. And you see it's about 5 inches tall, 2x2, 3/16 wall. It's all mashed and mangled. These machines take a huge amount of abuse. That's the one on the right side that is still somewhat square. And we're attempting to try to replace this with a piece of 2x2 quarter wall instead and fix a couple other issues.
What's the conveyor? It's good.
So we're going to be welding this thing here with the Stel Max DP 201. There's like 2 more for sale. I'll put a link in the description. And then Polaris AAA from Rockmount. This stuff like this helps me to sleep good at night because I know it works right the first time. Everything will be strong, everything will look good. It deals with the contamination. As you can see, there's a little bit surface rust, a little bit oil, some tree sap, and the welds just work. It all works out. It does what it's supposed to do. There's no questions if it's done right. You know, eventually, yes, the original broke. It may break again, but it just does what it's supposed to do, and it's just... I put a gusset in here too, and then you see me fix a couple other cracks.
Just hold this. I'm gonna shake this guy here a little bit so we can see how we found out that it moves. Got that on video? Can you see that? Like right there. Okay, and then just videotape a little bit of me welding. Just don't get arc flash. Just for it looks good later on. Tried to come in from the other side. No, there's no way. This is so up close without reading glasses, I don't see nothing. Oh shoot, man. I can't see nothing in there. Okay, now if you wiggle it now. See, now you just have the bearing play here. So that'll be better already.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is stiffening up of the French fry maker of that wedge in the back. There was some issues too that was bowing through, so we reinforced this, and the firewood processor is working good now for many months of service to come. I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.